Opening a bank account. Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, I want open account.
Sure. What account do you need?
Savings account, I think.
That's a good choice for you.
I I don't know process well.
No problem. I will guide you. Do you have ID with you?
Yes, I have my passport.
Great. I need proof of address.
Address? Like my home address?
Yes, like a bill or letter.
I have electricity bill with me.
Perfect. That will work fine.
How much money I need?
Minimum is £50 to start.
Oh, that is okay for me.
You can add more later anytime.
Can I use card quickly?
Card arrives in 5 working days.
Oh, not today?
No, but you get details today.
Online banking, is it easy to use?
Yes, very easy to use daily.
Good. I like simple things.
Please sign here at the bottom.
My signature. Okay, I try.
Take your time, no rush.
Done. Is everything finished now?
Yes, your account is now active.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
I will. Maybe I save money now.
The job interview. Good morning. Please take a seat.
Thank you. I am a little nervous.
That's okay. Take your time. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I studied business last year. I worked part-time in a shop.
What did you do there?
I helped customers and used cashier.
That sounds useful experience.
Yes, I learned many small things.
Why do you want this job?
I I like working with people, and I want to grow my skills.
Good reason. That's important. What are your strengths?
Um, I am friendly and careful. I try finish work on time.
That is very good to hear. Any weaknesses you want to share?
I I speak slowly sometimes, but I practice every day now.
That's okay. Improvement matters. Can you work in a team?
Yes, I enjoy teamwork. I like helping others at work.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, what are working hours?
9 to 5, Monday to Friday.
Okay, that works for me.
We will contact you next week.
Thank you. I hope good news.
Good luck.
Thank you. I need that luck.
The haircut. Hello, welcome. Take a seat.
Hi, I want a haircut today.
Sure. What style do you like?
Not too short, please.
Okay, just a little trim?
Yes, just cut the ends.
How much length should I cut?
Maybe 2 inches, I think.
2 inches? Not more than that?
Yes, please not too much.
Do you want layers also?
Layers? What does that mean?
Different hair lengths for more style.
Oh, okay, but very light layers.
Do you like straight or wavy?
I like straight hair more.
We can style it after cut.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes, not too long.
Okay, that is good for me.
Please relax. I will start now.
Okay, I trust you.
I will do my best.
Can I see in mirror?
Yes, look here at the back.
Oh, it looks very nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. It feels so light.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I will. Maybe I come again soon.
The dog park. Hi there. Nice dog you have.
Oh, thank you. He is friendly.
What is his name?
His name is Max. Very active.
He looks full of energy.
Yes, he runs all day here.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I am new in area.
This park is very popular.
Oh, many dogs come here?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Max sometimes runs too far.
That is normal for young dogs.
I feel scared sometimes.
You can call him back gently.
Max, come here, please.
Good. He is listening to you.
Oh, that makes me happy.
Does he play with other dogs?
Yes, but little shy sometimes.
He will learn with more visits.
Do I need a leash here?
Only outside the park area.
Okay, that is easy rule.
Just clean after your dog.
Yes, I always carry bags.
Great. That keeps park clean.
Thank you. You help me lot.
No problem. Enjoy your time.
Max, wait, not so fast.
The metro ticket. Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I need metro ticket, please.
Sure. Where are you going today?
I go to Oxford Circus.
Okay, that is Zone 1 area.
Zone? I don't understand zones.
London has travel zones for tickets.
Oh, so price changes with zones?
Yes, price depends on distance.
Which ticket is best for me?
A single or a day travel card.
I travel only today.
Then a day travel card is better.
Can I use it many times?
Yes, unlimited rides for the day.
Oh, that sounds very good.
Do you have a contactless card?
Yes, I have my bank card.
You can tap in and out.
Tap? What does that mean?
Just touch card on the machine.
Oh, that is easy to do.
Ticket or contactless, your choice.
I try contactless. Sounds faster.
Good choice. Very quick and simple.
Where is the train platform?
Follow signs for the central line.
Okay, I think I find it.
Enjoy your trip today.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
Mind the gap on platform.
Yes, I hear that everywhere.
At the supermarket. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, I look for some items.
Sure. What do you need today?
I need milk and bread.
Milk is in the fridge aisle.
Aisle. Which number is that?
Aisle 5, near the back.
Oh, I see the signs now.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, eggs and some fruit.
Eggs are next to the milk.
That is easy. Thank you. Fruit. Where can I find it?
Fresh fruit is near the entrance.
Oh, I walked past it before.
It happens all the time.
Yes, I feel a bit silly. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, apples are on special offer.
Oh, I will take some apples.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, I forgot mine at home.
No problem. We sell bags here.
Where do I pay for items?
Go to the checkout counters.
Okay, self-checkout or normal one?
Both are fine. Your choice.
Okay, I try self-checkout today.
Good. It is fast and simple.
Thank you. You help me lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
I will. I hope no mistakes.
The tech store. Hi, welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I need a new phone.
Sure. What kind do you want?
simple phone, not too expensive.
Okay, we have good budget options.
Budget means low price, right?
Yes, good price and basic features.
I use phone for calls, messages.
Then you don't need high-end model.
Yes, I want easy to use.
Do you like big or small screen?
Not too big. Fits in my hand.
This one is a good size.
How is the battery life?
It lasts one full day easily.
Oh, that is important for me.
It also has a good camera.
I don't take many photos.
Still nice to have sometimes.
Can I use my old SIM?
Yes, just insert it here.
Oh, that sounds simple.
Do you need a phone case?
Yes, to protect the phone.
Good idea. This one fits well.
Is there any warranty included?
Yes, 1-year warranty with purchase.
Okay, that makes me feel safe.
Would you like to buy it now?
Yes, I think I will take it.
Great. I will prepare it for you.
Thank you. I feel more confident.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new phone.
I will. Hope I don't drop it.
Calling in sick. Hello, this is Tom speaking.
Hi, this is Rachel from sales.
Hi, Rachel. How are you today?
I feel very unwell today.
Oh no, what is wrong?
I have fever and bad headache.
That sounds serious. Stay at home.
Yes, I cannot come to office.
That is okay. Your health first.
I wanted to inform early.
Thank you for calling early. Did you see a doctor yet?
Not yet. I go later today.
Please get some rest first.
I have meeting this afternoon.
Don't worry. I will handle it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Do you need anything from office?
No, I think I am okay.
Just focus on getting better.
Should I send email also?
Yes, send a quick sick email.
Okay, I will do that soon.
Take tomorrow off if needed.
Really? That helps a lot.
Yes, recover fully before coming.
Thank you. I feel less worried.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
I will. See you soon.
Locked out of the house. Hi, you look a bit worried.
Hi, I am locked out.
Oh no, what happened exactly?
I forgot my house keys.
Do you have a spare key?
I think inside the house.
Is anyone else at home?
No, my family is at work.
Okay, don't panic. We can solve it.
I feel really stressed right now.
That's normal. Take a deep breath.
Okay, I'm trying to relax.
Do you have a landlord number?
Yes, I saved it in phone.
Good. Try calling them now.
Hello? I am locked outside house.
Tell them your address clearly.
Yes, I will explain everything. How long will this take?
Maybe 30 minutes, sometimes more.
Okay, I can wait here.
Do you want to sit nearby?
Yes, that would help a lot.
I can stay here with you.
Thank you. You were very kind.
No problem. It happens to everyone.
Next time, I will not forget keys.
Good idea. Keys are important.
I feel much better now.
Everything will be fine soon. Shopping in the USA. Welcome to mall today.
Hi, I am shopping today.
Great. What are you looking?
I need clothes and shoes.
Perfect. Clothing store is upstairs.
Oh, I did not know.
USA malls are very large.
Where can I try clothes?
Fitting rooms are in back.
I hope sizes are correct.
Staff can help your size.
What about payment methods here?
Cards and cash both accepted.
Can I use Apple Pay?
Yes, Apple Pay works everywhere.
That makes shopping very easy.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, I forgot my bag.
We sell reusable bags here.
Where is the checkout counter?
Downstairs near the main exit.
I hope it is simple.
It is very easy system.
I'm not good at shopping.
You are doing just fine.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Want help finding more items?
Maybe I need a jacket.
Jackets are in second floor.
Oh, this mall is huge.
Do you have any questions?
I sometimes lose small papers.
You can also use email.
Do stores here have discounts?
Yes, weekends often have sales.
Oh, I like weekend shopping.
Try shoes section after clothes.
I really need new sneakers.
Nike and Adidas are popular.
Are sizes same in USA?
Sometimes different from other countries.
Oh, I must check carefully.
Staff will help you choose.
Thank you. This is helpful.
Take elevator to second floor.
Okay, I will explore now.
Enjoy your shopping experience here.
USA malls are really big.
You did great today. Keep learning real English conversations and don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.